Our next change helps those busy agents that need super fast access to find listings when they're out in the field or sitting at their desk. So we added a new one-click option to find listings that are near you, wherever you are. There's a couple ways you can get to it. You can get to it up here in the right-hand corner. You can come down to the quick action items and click on listings near me, or you can go up to the hamburger menu to properties, and then there's a near me search in there also. So when using this on your phone or on your desktop, if you go ahead and click on the listings near me, and it'll take you exactly to where you're at and pinpoint that on the map. Now, if you're in your car or on your phone, of course, it's going to bring you to where you're at. If you're on your computer, it's going to bring you to your office location. Then in here, it'll show you all the listings that are around you. Now, what's really cool about this is we have a filter up here on the top for you. So if for some reason you see all of these listings, but you actually want to filter it out a little bit, you can come into the filter button, and as you can see, it's a multi-class search. So it looks at every single listing, whether it's land, housing, whatever, or you can come down here to the class and you'll be able to select what you want. So if I only want residential property, I can apply that, and then I can see it went down to 27 results, and I can go ahead and apply that search. Now that I have my 27 listings, there's a few things that I can do. I can also come up here and I could click on the select view, and I can look at this in either a thumbnail view or I can look at it in a spreadsheet view. What's really nice is whether I'm in the spreadsheet view, the thumbnail view, or on the map, I still have my filter up here, so I don't have to go back to a search screen to put in additional criteria. So I can come in here now and I can type in a type, an address, anything that I'm looking for. I can also search for a field by using the binoculars. So I want to come up here and I want to search, I want to put in the amount of bedrooms. So I can type in bed and it'll bring me up the primary criteria field of beds, and I can go ahead and type in I want 3 to 4 bedrooms. I'm now down to 12 results. So I can go ahead and apply that to my search results. And you can see that I now have 12 listings that are out here. And then if I want to go back to look at this on the map with the 12 results, I can actually go out to the map. At this point, I can also save it. I could save this from any of the areas in here, but I can go ahead and click on the save button, and I can actually save this search and assign it to a contact. And that's how easy it is to use the new Near Me search.